Okay, we're just going to demonstrate the saw, and as you can see, we haven't connected it up yet. Round this edge, my lovely assistant's going to come round and show you how to connect it. Right, down here we have the power. If I focus in on there, the main power there, the saw power to the right, depending on the speed that you want the saw or the spindle moulder. Down here we have two 3-phase onboard power supplies for a 3-phase feeder, which I have, or a 3-phase dust collector, or even the planar jointer to be plugged in piggyback. On the right we have emergency stop. Punch in to stop the machine. To start, just turn, let go. To the right we have the saw height adjuster down to 1 millimeter, and if we wind up or down, it's beautifully smooth like silk, and as we see the saw going up and down again. Dreamy. Right, leave the saw there. Right, we're just going to have a look at the way this has been cared for. As it's new, we pull this back. As you can see, everything is absolutely wonderfully kept. Such is my fastidious attitude. Now, we're going to plug in 3-phase. Very simple, male, female. Plug that in. That's there. Then we're going to come over to my feeder, and again we're going to plug the feeder into one of the power supplies on board. We'll start with the bottom one for neatness. Right, okay, now as we go around the front, we have on the right hand side the height and attitude of the spindle moulder. Here we have the 4-feed Magi feeder system. It's a Vario Step 4 with fully adjustable feed tension and fully height adjustable, reach adjustable, with very heavy duty system. Right, here we have the saw. If I just move the table like so, we also have the scoring unit, which is again a micro saw with a little micro blade. We haven't got that on there now, but that actually stops any cutaway, fraying of any wood, high veneers, and a little saw which we have can be put on there and makes a big difference. Now we're just going to run a test. I'm just going to rotate the saw back again. I'm going to go over and power the machine on just by turning that and by turning on that feed that we plugged in via a system. Now we have green lights. All we do is push. As you can hear, emergency stop this end. The system has an auto brake and stops within 5 seconds. I'm now going to run up the feeder. As you can hear, the feeder wheels independent rotation. 2 ways, both the spindle moulder and the saw. all finished. Thank you for watching. Next one, the planer jointer.